Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I make a quote on a wooden board or shelf, whatever you want to call it. I think it is a very beautiful birthday present to give because it's personal and it's very cheap too. What I do is I go to a hardware store or a local wood factory and ask if they have pieces that they are going to throw away. Mostly I'm very lucky and they give me some pieces to take home. Okay, what do you need more to make those quotes on the boards? I use the cheapest shoe polish I can ever find. You can also paint it or burn it, but I use cheapest shoe polish. Then you need some carbon paper and you need a wood burner and you have to print a quote. So you need a printer or you have to ask some friends if they can print it out for you. I take the shoe polish and just rub it in a rough way on this board. It's very easy. If you don't want to have stripes, you have to do it in both ways and look carefully. If you want to have it darker, you do it 2 times. Done both sides, you just check if you have hit everything and if you like the color. If you don't like the color, you think it's too light, then you're going to do it again. Just stop whenever you like the color. So in the meantime, this has to dry a little bit. I think about 30 minutes, depends on your wood or what material you use. So now in between I'm going to print my quote and let this dry. So I have printed my lines. Someone please call 911. It's for a friend of mine. It's her birthday and we always drink wine. And I love funny quotes. I use this special scissor. I will show you. This is a special scissor which it doesn't cost any string for me. Anyway, you can buy it at local store. So we are going to cut this out, the lines. Choose where you want the words. If you want this, that, you have to get the carbon paper, put it on the right side down, and then I'm going to stick it with painting tape. Okay, then you take a pen and just draw the lines. Carbon paper you can use many times. So take this off carefully and then you can use it over and over again as long as you use the painting tape. See, the words are put on. It's hard to see. Anyway, now it's time to burn it. It's finished. Well, it took me a while to make this. I think if you're healthy, you can easily make it in 1 or 2 days. Anyway, normally I glue stuff on it. I glue little wooden things, but you can use any other thing. But I didn't have a glass of wine or a phone, so I draw it now. I think I have to cut a piece off, but I have to ask somebody else to do that, you know. that is going to be off. But I want to show you the wooden stuff, which I glue on the plates, the boards. You see, I think if you do this is be the finishing touch. This is the cherry on your cake, I think. Okay, so if you're going to do it and make your own quote boards, please be careful and don't burn yourself. See you next time. Bye. So what I forgot to say is that now you have a nice present to give. Wrap it in some nice paper, put a bottle of wine with it or a glass, whatever you like, wrap it in nicely, and then you have a beautiful gift for your best friend. That's what I want to say. Goodbye.